Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts part 2 standard 12. Students, the fourth chapter is going on, that is called analysis of financial statement. And the last video I taught you the illustrations 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You might have seen that all this illustration it was related with the profit and loss statement. Now in this video I will teach you one more illustration which is page number 172 according to your textbook, page number 172 of illustration number 6. After completing the illustration number 6, then we will go back to the exercise. What we have learned from last two's video, on the basis of that few questions from exercise on the basis of the profit and loss statement that we will do. Then we will come back once again the balance sheet statement. Still now what is going on, that is called profit and loss statement. So illustration number 6 of page number 172, let us follow the what is given in these questions. Prepare comparative profit and loss statement from the given details. 2016 and 2017 previous year, this is current year. क्वेश्चन में 17 पहले दिया, बाद में 16 दिया, आंसर में पहले 16 को लिखना है, बाद में 17 को लिखना है. सेल्स रेवेन्यू 18 लाख 15 lakhs, net purchase for sales 5 lakh 6 lakh, changes in stock, changes in stock मतलब opening stock minus closing stock 1 lakh and 1 lakh 60. Others expense percentage on sales, that is 40% on sales, that is 45% on sales. Sales is say 18 lakh and 15 lakh. Others income percentage on sales, that is 10% and 12%. Income tax rate, that is 30% and 30%. Very easy. This is the comparative profit and loss statement. You know that one, 6 columns are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of the 6, first 4 columns it is coming from question. Only last 2 columns which you have to write the answer. Sales revenue, that is 18 lakh and 15 lakh. According to your question, I am writing it here. Sales revenue 18 lakh and 15 lakh. Others income, that is 1 lakh 80 and 1 lakh 80. How it is given the others income? Because others income it is given the percentage on sale 10% and 12%. So 10% 18 lakh 10% 1 lakh 80 and 12% on 15 lakh which is coming 1 lakh 80. So sales revenue plus others income, if you add sales revenue plus others income, then you will get total income, that is 1 plus 2 19 lakh 80 and 16 lakh 80. Up to that you understood. Next is coming less expenses. What are the expenses are given? Net purchase for resale, that is 5 lakh and 6 lakh, which is given in this questions. Net purchase for resale 5 lakh, 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs. Changes in stock, it is given in questions 1 lakh and 1 lakh 60. Change in stock 1 lakh and 1 lakh 60. And others expense it is given percentage on sales, as it is how much, 40% and 44%. Others expense, this is 40% on sales. Sales is 18 lakh, so 40% of 18 lakhs which comes 7 lakh 20 and 45% of 15 lakh which comes 6 lakh 75. This is 6 lakh 75 is 45% of 15 lakhs and 7 lakh 20 is 40% of 18 lakhs. It is given according to the questions. So if you add 1, 2, 3, you will get total expense 13 lakh 20, and if you add these 3, you will get 14 lakh 35. and 19 lakh 80 minus 13 lakh 20 is the total income and total expense. If you deduct, you will get 6 lakh 60, which is your profit before tax, and tax is given 30%. 30% of 6 lakh 60 is equal to 1 lakh 98. If you deduct it, you will get 4 lakh 62, which is the profit after tax. Similarly, here also 16 lakh 80 minus 14 lakh 35 is equal to 2 lakh 45, and 2 lakh 45, 30% of 2 lakh 45 is equal to 73,500. So 2 lakh 45 minus 73,500 is equal to 1 lakh 71,500, which is the profit after tax. So these two columns, it is clear. Now third column, sorry, this is fifth column. Fifth column, I told you, fifth minus 4, sorry, 4 minus 3, fourth column minus 3 column. 15 lakh minus 18 lakh is equal to minus 3 lakh, which is given within the bracket. 1 lakh 80, 1 lakh 80, 0. Then 16 lakh 80,000 minus 90 lakh 80, coming minus figure, 3 lakhs. 6 lakhs minus 5 lakh is equal to 1 plus 160 minus 1 is equal to 60. 6 lakh 75 minus 7 lakh 20 is equal to minus 45,000. And as we are getting this 3 total is this, so this 3 total is not this. This is coming 14 lakh 35 minus 13 lakh 20 is equal to 1 lakh 15. 2 lakh 45 minus 6 lakh 60 is equal to minus 4 lakh 15. 73,500 minus 1 lakh 98,000 is equal to 1 lakh 24,500, and 1 lakh 71,500 minus 4 lakh 62 is equal to 2 lakh 90,500. And the last column is percentage. As we are getting here minus or writing within bracket, this also will write within bracket. A figure, if it is coming here within bracket, the percentage also will come within bracket. So 3 lakh divided by 18 lakh multiplied by 100, 16.67. This divided by this multiplied by 100, this is same होगा तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं आएगा. This divided by this is multiplied by 120. This divided by this multiplied by 100. This is similarly here also this, and similarly this divided by this is multiplied by 100 is equal to this. Similarly, are remaining also same. So I think it is very easy questions. Everyone can get the one practical sums, that is 4 marks, and here it is given the explanations, that others expense percentage on sales, which I already told you. 40% of 18 lakh is equal to 7 lakh 20, 45% of 15 lakh is equal to 6 lakh 75, 10% of 18 lakh 1 lakh 80, 12% of 15 lakh is equal to 1 lakh 80,000. This is called profit and loss statement. On the basis of that, few questions from your exercise let me do. After that, we will come back once again in the illustrations. So that is balance sheet items. So page number 203 of question number 4. As exercise started from page number 202, but first questions, that is MCQ, that I already explained it, even theoretical part. Answer also it is given, that you will do it. Question number 2, 1 or 2 and question answer also I explained it there, and answer and brief, whatever the question it is given, all this answer of the theoretical part I already explained, you write in your fair book. Now let us start the exercise practical sums of page number 203, question number 4. The fourth question I want to read it, you follow it what is given in these questions. The average profit and loss statement ending 31st/3/2016 and 31st/3/2017 of Saman Company Limited are given as follow. Prepare comparative statement of profit and loss. Sales revenue 16 is here, 22 lakh, 33 lakhs. Others income 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh 25. Expense 15 lakh 40, 23 lakh 76,000. Income tax 30%. Very easy, nothing is given. Only the total income, if you add these two, you will get the total income, and deduct this expense, you will get the profit before tax, and profit before tax, then you have to deduct the tax, so automatically you will get profit after tax. This is the answer. I have written it here. You follow the answer. This is page number 203, question number 4, chapter 4, analysis of financial statement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comparative profit and loss statement of Samans Company Limited for the year ending 31st/3/2016 and 31st/3/2017. The particulars note number 31st/3/2016, 31st/3/2017, increase, decrease, rupees, that is fifth column, fourth column minus third column, increase, decrease percentage, sixth column, that is fifth column divided by third column multiplied by 100. Sales revenue, question it is given 22 lakh, 33 lakhs, others income 1 lakh 50, 2 lakh 25, total income, if you add these two you will get 23 lakh 50, if you add these two you will get 35 lakh 25,000. Then expense, it is given in your question 15 lakh 40 and 23 lakh 76,000. This expense will be deducted from this total income. You will get profit before tax, that is 8 lakh 10 and 11 lakh 49. And 30% is the tax. This is your tax amount. Tax amount is 30%. 30% how it comes? Now 30% of 8 lakh 10, if you calculate you will get 2 lakh 43,000, and 30% of 11 lakh 49,000 you will get 3 lakh 44,700. If you deduct this profit before tax and less tax, you will get profit after tax, that is 5 lakh 67,000 and 8 lakh 4,300. This so you know that I already told you. This minus this, 33 minus 22 is equal to 11, 2 lakh 25 minus 1 lakh 50 is equal to 75, 35 lakh 25,000 minus 23 lakh 50,000 is equal to 11 lakh 75,000. This minus this is equal to this, this minus this is equal to this, this minus this is equal to this, and this minus this is equal to this. Percentage how you have to calculate? I told you that fifth column divided by third column, fifth column divided by third column multiplied by 100. That means 11 lakh divided by 22 lakhs multiplied by 100 is equal to 50%. Similarly, 75,000 divided by 1 lakh 50 multiplied by 100 is equal to 50%. Like that, this divided by this multiplied by 100, this divided by this multiplied by 100, this divided by this multiplied by 100, this divided by this multiplied by 100. Similarly, this divided by this multiplied by 100. Last 3% will be same: profit before tax, tax, and profit after tax. Nothing is there. Very easy questions. Let me do the next questions. Question number 5. The average profit and loss statement ending 31st/3/2016 and 31st/3/2017 of Srushti Company Limited are given as follows. Prepare the comparative statement of profit and loss 2016 and 2017. 16 we will read first. Sales revenue 1950, 25, 35. Others income 190, 285. Cost of goods consumed 950, 1140. Financial cost 1 lakh 50, 90,000. Depreciation 60,000, 60,000. Others expense 3 lakh 40, 4 lakh 25. Income tax 30%. So what we will do? These two we will add, we will get total income, and this we will deduct, we will get total expense. This we will add first, we will get total expense, and this we will deduct it and we will get the profit. This is page number 203 of question number 5. Page number 203, question number 5. That questions I already told you. Sales revenue 19 lakh 50. This is question. 25 lakh 35. Others income 1 lakh 90, 2 lakh 85. Total income 21 lakh 40, 28, 20. Then expense, cost of goods consumed 9 lakh 50, 11 lakh 40. Financial expense 1 lakh 50, 90,000. Depreciation 60,000, 60,000. Others expense 3 lakh 40, 4 lakh 25. Total expense, if you add these 4, you will get 15 lakh. If you add this 4, you will get 17 lakh 15,000. Then this is total income, this is total expense. If you deduct 21 lakh 40,000 minus 15 lakh, you will get 6 lakh 40. Similarly, this minus this, matlab 17 lakh 50,000, 28 lakh 28,000 से 17 lakh 50,000 deduct करो तो 11 lakh 5,000, and this is 30%, that you know, 30% of this. So this minus this is equal to this, this minus this is equal to this. Already these two are from the book, textbook or question only. Now this is, that I already told you, this minus this. 25 lakh 35,000 minus 90 lakh 50,000 is equal to 5 lakh 85. This minus this is equal to this, this minus this is equal to this. Here 11 lakh 40,000 minus 9 lakh 50 is equal to 1 lakh 90. But here 90,000 minus 1 lakh 50. 90,000 minus 1 lakh 50 is equal to minus 60,000. For that we wrote in the bracket. 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. 0 means dash. If it is dash coming here, here also it will come dash. This minus this is equal to this. This minus this is equal to this. And this is also same. This minus this is equal to this. This minus this is equal to this. And 7 lakh 73,500 minus 4 lakh 48,500 is equal to 3 lakh 25,500. Percentage already you know. 1% I want to show you. 5 lakh 85,000 divided by 9 lakh 50,000 multiplied by 100. 5 lakh 85,000 divided by 9 lakh 50,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 30%. Similarly, 95,000 divided by 1 lakh 90,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 50%. As these two we added and we got this thing, but here it will not come. If you add these two and it will not come like that. This is coming, this divided by this multiplied by 100. Clear to you? This divided by this multiplied by 100. So where you are getting minus, they are also here getting minus, and remaining all are same. Nothing is given in this chapter. Very easy. Let us do the one more sum which is given in that next page. Page number 204 of question number 6. Profit and loss statement for the year ending 31st/3/2016 and 2017, 31st/3/2017 of Shankar Limited are given as follows. Prepare the comparative statement of profit and loss. Sales revenue 45 lakhs. I want to read the 16 first, then 17. Sales revenue 45 lakhs, 60 lakhs 75,000. Others income 10 lakh, 7 lakh. Expense, cost of goods consumed 30 lakh, 36 lakhs. Net purchase for sales 2 lakh, 2 lakh 70. Changing in stock 70,000, 90,000. Employees benefit expense 4 lakh, 5 lakh 60. Financial cost 90,000, 1 lakh 35,000. Depreciations and amortizations which is coming 70,000 and 1 lakh 5,000. And income tax rate, that is 30%. These are the questions it is given. Questions if you read, that is the answer. This 2 is the total income, this is the total expense. Total income minus total expense is equal to profit, then tax you deduct and you will get the profit after tax. This is the answers. I wrote it here, that you also understands. Page number 204, question number 6, chapter 4, financial statement analysis. Comparative profit and loss statement of Shankar Limited for the year ended 31st/3/2016 and 31st/3/2017. Particulars note, this is 16, 17, increase, decrease, like that. Sales revenue 45 lakh, 60 lakh 75,000. From that question it is given. Others income 10 lakh and 7 lakh. Total income 55 lakh, 67 lakh 75,000. Expense, cost of goods consumed 30, 36. Net purchase for sale 2 lakh, 2 lakh 70. Changes in stock 70,000, 90,000. Employee benefit expense 4 lakh, 5 lakh 60. Financial cost 90,000, 1 lakh 35,000. Depreciations and amortizations which is coming 70,000 and 1 lakh 5,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you add this 6, you will get 38 lakh 30,000. And if you add this 6, you will get 47 lakh 60,000. And your total income it is given 55 lakh minus 38 lakh 30,000. If you minus, you will get 16 lakh 70,000, which is profit before tax, and tax is 30%, 5 lakh 1,000. So profit after tax 11 lakh 69,000. Similarly, here it is coming 14 lakh 10,500. This to you know, as 60 lakh 75,000 minus 45 lakh is equal to 15 lakh 75,000. 7 minus 10 is equal to 3. That you keep in mind. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. But 10 minus 7 is equal to plus 3. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. For that we wrote in the bracket. Similarly, this minus this is equal to this, and this all that you understand, this minus this is equal to, everywhere it is plus because this is more. 36, 30, 272, 90, 70, 564, 135, 90, 1 lakh 570. So this you are getting, and percentage once again no need to say that already you know it is no. So 47 lakh 60,000 minus 38 lakh 30,000 is equal to 9 lakh 30, and percentage if you calculate 9 lakh 30,000 divided by 38 lakh 30,000 multiplied by 100 is equal to 24.28%. Almost all this question you are seeing are same. There is not much difference. The things are all same. The seventh question number, page number 204. Profit and loss statement for the year ended 31/3/16 and 31/3/17 of Mina Company Limited are as follows. Prepare the comparative profit and loss statement. Sales revenue 5245. Okay. Others income 10 lakh 2 lakh. Net purchase 38 lakh 32. Others expense percentage on sale. सेल का ऊपर 22% एंड सेल का ऊपर 18%. चेंज इन स्टॉक -2 लाख -1 लाख -1 लाख -2 लाख, and income tax rate 30%. Same thing, nothing is given. What we will do, we will follow this answer. Page number 204, question number 7. Comparative profit and loss statements of Mina Company Limited for the year ending 31/3/2016 and 31/3/2017. Sales 52 lakh 45 lakhs. Others income 10 lakh 2 lakh. Total income 52 plus 10 is equal to 62. 45 plus 2 is equal to 47. Net purchase, it is given 38 lakhs 32 lakhs. Others income percentage on sales. Sales का ऊपर others expense personal sales 18% and 22%. पहले 18% बाद में 22%. This is 18%. Others expense 18% on sales. If you calculate 18% of 52 lakhs, you will get 9 lakh 36,000. If you calculate 22% of 45 lakh, 22% of 45 lakh, you will get 9 lakh 90. Change in stock -1 lakh -2 lakh. It is given. So now you see how we are getting 46 lakh 36,000 here. Here if you, this is your total income, and your total expense, if you add, this is 38 plus 9, that is coming 47 36 you are getting. 47 36 minus 1, so it comes 46 36. See this 46 36 how it is coming, you understand? This plus this, whatever it is coming, minus 1, because this is within bracket. 38 plus 38 lakh plus 9 lakh 36 minus 1 is equal to 46 lakh 36,000. So don't add these 3, as this figure is given minus, so add these 2 and subtract 1, you will get this. Similarly here also 32 plus 990, 32 प्लस 990 मीन्स इक्वल टू कितना होता है 4190. 4190 minus 2 is equal to 3990. ठीक है. If you add these two, you will get 41,90,000 minus 2 lakh is equal to 39,90,000. Okay. Now this is your total expense. This is your total expense, and 62 minus 46,36,000 is equal to 15,64,000. Similarly, here also 47 minus 39,90,000 is equal to 7,10,000, and tax 30%. 30% of 1564 is equal to this. 30% of 710 is equal to 2,13,000. This minus this is equal to this. This minus this is equal to this. And I told you if figures are coming minus here, here also will come minus. That I have forgotten to put it here. Minus here. Here also. Correct? Yes. Now, this to already you know. 45 minus 52. 45 minus 50 is equal to minus 7. 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 8. 47 minus 62 is equal to minus 15. 32 minus 38 is equal to minus 6. 990 minus 936 ये कम हुआ इसीलिए प्लस है 54. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. यहाँ कैसे 2 है minus 1 is equal to minus 1 हो because this is minus 2. Already it is minus. Minus again minus 1 मतलब plus. For that is minus coming. That means this minus is more. This minus is less. Suppose here it is suppose here it is 4. Suppose here if it is coming 4, 2, that is no, if it is coming suppose 5, then it is plus. Suppose 5 minus this is, if it is this minus is 1 and this minus is 2. 2 minus minus 1, that means it became plus. For that it's coming minus. Similarly, this minus this is equal to this, minus is coming. This minus this is equal to this, minus is coming. This minus this also is equal to this, minus is coming. Everywhere it is coming minus. But this part you will keep it in mind because minus is more. This is also minus, this is also minus. This minus is more. For that it is coming here minus. Understand or not? Okay. Next is coming percentage. Percentage to already I told several times. If amount is coming within bracket, percentage also will come within bracket. Wherever brackets is there, wherever it is the percentage में bracket है. यहाँ नहीं है, 54 में नहीं है, इसलिए 5.77. But here it is given, for that it is given. Everywhere it is. And how it is coming this column? This column divided by this column. मतलब fifth column divided by third column multiplied by 100. That means 7 lakh divided by 52 lakh multiplied by 100 is equal to 13.46%. Similarly, 8 lakh divided by 10 lakh. 8 lakh divided by 10 lakh multiplied by 100 is equal to, you will get 80%. Here you see 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh multiplied by 100 is equal to 100. 1 lakh divided by 1 lakh multiplied by 100 is equal to 100%. This till now what I taught you, that is profit and loss statement. Next video I will teach you the balance sheet statement. Hope you are understanding. Several times I told you, even if it is not clear for you, at any time you can call me. You can send your doubt through WhatsApp. Immediately I will give the answer to you. Okay, bye.